hope you're doing well. We are starting the last training room before we finish our second module and move on because we need to get going in order to get you guys all 3 of your final credits in this class. So this is the big chunk out of this last module, starting an accounting system. It's also a big part on your outcomes that we needed to hit. So I need to make sure that everyone understands that the reason we did this is because I needed to be able to hit all of these outcomes in order to give you guys the credit. So we had prepare an opening balance sheet, apply accounting equation in the analysis of the balance sheet, describe the theory of a double entry system, identify and define revenue and expense accounts, prepare a chart of accounts, open the general ledger accounts, and finally today, prepare the opening entry and post to the general ledger. So that last one right there is going to be in training room number 5. All right. Training room number 5, you guys should be quite familiar with this little lady so far. I hope you are all using Safari because it's very important, otherwise you won't get these fun videos that show you different cues, okay, in ordering and posting to your journals, for instance, okay? So what we are going to be doing this week is Gurpreet's general journal and his ledger, and we are going to be posting to his ledger. Okay, so what you need to do is open up this video and essentially watch this video, okay?
You should now have both your journal and your ledger open. To view both of these documents at the same time, click
So what he is working with here is he is opening both Gurpreet's general journal, and Gurpreet's ledger. Okay, it ends up looking quite a bit like, this. Okay, so if you continue to watch the video that's on Safari, okay, that is right here, they go through a very in-depth explanation of what I'm looking for. Some of it's hard because we don't have the side-by-side tool that you'll see that they eventually talk about in View, okay? So up to you how you want to work with it. What I did is I just kept them both open and then I worked from here up to here, okay? So this is what yours is going to look like after you just first start watching the video. I don't want to show you the completed one yet because I do want you guys to work on that. But after you are done going through this video, okay, that's all I want from you. That's all I want from you. What I want you to do when you're done both this document and this document is to save it and then submit it. Submit it to At Home Fin 1015 training room number 5, which is unopened right now, but will be opened for you tomorrow. Just a quick reminder, I have very few assignments, 6 out of 22 for training room number 1, 5 out of 22 for training room number 2 and 3, 3 out of 22 for training room number 4. I'm hoping to get more of these, but again, please tell your friends, reach out to them that this course is not just an automatic pass. You guys need to complete some work in order to continue on getting credits in all 5 modules. Right now, most of you only have 1 credit in module number 1, which was personal finance. So please, please, please remember that this course is not automatic pass. You need to still complete work, okay? If you have any questions, please email me at abrubin@cbe.ab.ca, okay? On top of that last training room today, I would also like you guys to go to 1015 GAP. You don't have to actually do any work in this assignment because I think at this point we just need to continue on, but I would like you guys to go through it. Okay, so GAP stands for Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, and it's really important moving forward on in this course that you do understand what those principles are. So I really ask that you go over them and read through all of this information. Okay, please ignore the assignments that I need you to do for them. I just want you guys to focus on that last training room so that we can move on to our 3rd module in this class. Please go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these principles. Enough so that you could sort of talk about them if I did ever ask you about them. And that would be the last thing that I would ask you guys to do this week. That's it for me today. Please, again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Shout out to Jaden for getting everything done so far. Really impressed with everyone's work ethic. I do have my concerns about those of you who haven't interacted with me at all. Thank you, Arozo, for being the only one that shows up to my meetings, although I hope that means that none of you else have questions and she's just chilling. But again, I hope you guys are doing okay, and please let me know if any of you need anything, whether it be for this class or another class. I miss you guys a lot. See you in a few months, I guess. Bye.